Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to blur face in Capcut. So to do that, head over to your Capcut application. So head over to any project or start a new project. And in here, just tap on the timeline you want to add your blur on. And once you select it, you'll find an option of effects. Tap on effects and go to video effects. And here scroll until you find lens option, and under lens option you will find the option of blur. So once you find it, you can just tap on the tick button, and in here, once you have select the blur option right here, you can just adjust it by tapping on adjust, and here you can just change the intensity of the blur. So once you're okay with it, tap on the tick button and here goes the blur. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.